Hi, it's Amanda here, and I have reached drum roll. Didn't sound like a drum roll. Anyway, I have reached 100 pastel drawings. I am so pleased. This has been a real feat for me. I have seen from not wanting to use pastels, having pastels and not wanting to use them, and see how I've actually, because I gave them a chance, I've actually grown during this process. It's been an amazing process. The things that really stand out for me is that I kept up the discipline. I think I recognised that getting to, it was actually 20, but they say 21, it takes 21 days to form a habit. But getting to day 20, something actually kicked in, and I actually started looking forward to creating in pastels. There is an immediacy to them in which you can, you know, depending on how you work. So I've been doing small images and in one sitting create. There's only been a few that I've kind of gone back to because they were quite detailed, and I still did that in a day. So I would have spent, say, the one with the boat, I think I probably spent an hour and a half creating that. But it's with such simple strokes you can create such feeling in the image, and you can create a sense of I'm not sure what you would call it, but so you can create a sense of it's like an emotion dependent on the image that you created. So I found with the dog there, he's also excited and happy that I finished the 100 pastel drawings. But do you know what? It's made me feel like doing more. And it's made me feel like doing more, and it's something that I want to continue doing on a regular basis. It won't necessarily be on a daily basis because there's other now materials that I thought to myself, oh my gosh, I've got these sitting there, let me do a series of those. So whether I'll do 100 of other supplies that I have, like I really want to work with charcoal. I've been using charcoal and pastels together, but I really want to just do some images with charcoal and see how I get on with that. The watercolor pencils, I've got 2, 3, 4 sets of watercolor pencils that I never really gave the time of day. I've got water soluble pastels that I dabbled with. Say hello, Cole. No, you're not licking anything. You're so funny. So this is Cole. He's supposed to still be a puppy, but I don't believe it. He's big enough now. Stop it, I don't want you kissing me at all. So anyway, it's yeah, go on. I'm coming in a minute. Yeah, so it's been a really brilliant journey. I've really enjoyed it. I've really grown as an artist. As a mixed media artist, I've grown and seen my love of other supplies. Really, you know, I would, you know, mixed media artists, you combine several different mediums, and I found that this is a medium that I really, really like. And as I said, I'm definitely gonna do more. It's quite impatient now. I'm definitely going to do more. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all of the flip through video of all of the paintings that I did over the 100 days, 3 months. Wow, it's amazing how time flies. So yeah, I'll show you a flip through, and you need to wait. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. That's how do it. Anyway, so I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to see what you're challenging yourself to do, and I'd love to see some of your results. Please let me know, and share, like and subscribe, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you on some of the other things I'm doing. I will be releasing a book of the pastels, and I've got a pastel course coming up that I'm going to be teaching on, just to show you, you know, if you're a beginner in pastels, just showing you simple hints and tips and the things, the way that I approach my pastels, which may be different from other people. And it's also about finding your style and playing. So that's the key. With any of the supplies that you may have, the key is spending time playing and allowing yourself, not judging yourself, but allowing yourself to play. And just it's about the process and not about the finished result, because you'll get a different finished result. Different results depending on what you do, but it's a process of enjoying it along the way, and it's the process where you learn the hints and tips and the tools and the sparks of inspiration, and then you know you can always create. You just have to keep on creating. You have to keep on creating. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy the view of the whole 100. It's nice when you see them kind of as they progress over time. So yeah, let me know what you're getting up to, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Say goodbye. Silence. What have you got to say for yourself? All that noise just a minute ago. And the impatience. What is it you want to say to the viewers? Nothing. You're acting as if you're all good, aren't you? See what happens when he's in front of the camera. Shall we go? Come on then, let's go. Yeah, that's what